Chris Lukey with Manufacturing Happy Hour here at IME West. We're with Joey from Cognex, and we're going to talk a little bit about deep learning because we have this application behind us, a mock-up of an application. I'd love to learn about deep learning and how it's tied in with what we're looking at right now.
Sure. So what we do at Cognex is we sell industrial machine vision solutions. We're really known for our smart camera technology, where we have a complete system here, complete with processor, lens, and lighting, all integrated to solve quality inspections. So how this relates to deep learning is in production, in manufacturing, parts have variability in them, right? No two parts are completely the same. And when you start looking at every part in your facility, when you hook this camera up and you're now looking at thousands of parts a day, you really see the variability in your parts. And with machine learning, what we're able to do is show examples of what this variation looks like. And there we're able to pick out really tricky defects, right? So imagine a scratch or a ding or a nick. This is never going to look the same, right? No two are the same. But by showing examples, we can really get in there and solve a complete application.
Love it. Now, with I guess anything else you want to share about this particular application, or what it's mocking up? Maybe most people might not be able to see it as well.
Well, so the big thing here at Cognex is we're the first company to put the deep learning technology into the smart camera. So this is really easy to interface with other industrial control systems. We have robotics here, PLCs, SCADA systems, things like that. So,
love it. Anything else you want to share before we wrap for the day?
Not really. Thanks for sitting down and talking with us.
Appreciate you jumping on the show, Joe.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.